Hi there, hope everyone is doing well today. So, today we look at why your shower may be continuing to drip after you take a shower. Not only is this annoying, but it also wastes water and money by affecting your water bill. The most likely cause here is a faulty shower cartridge that would need to be replaced. When you replace this cartridge, your water pressure may increase as well, which is always an added bonus. So check out the link in the description below on how to solve this problem quickly and easily. It does not require a lot of skill, and this job can be done on your own in less than an hour. So, have a lovely and a blessed day, everyone. I would like to give thanks to God Almighty for another day, and for the opportunity to direct people to content that may be helpful to them.